Yeah. Right. So we will be discussing all these plugins which will be useful for you to develop a proper website. Apart from this, you have around 45,000 of plugins, but it will be useful according to you whenever is required for that particular complete the particular job. Whenever it is required to complete the particular job, then it will be useful for you. So as and when it is useful, these are the basic plugins which I will be telling you now, in which we have already completed this contact form 7. Right. Now let's go ahead and start developing a slide with using of some plugins. Now I want to check out whether means what is the like I want to check out that I have some photographs. I want to put some gallery here. That the photograph should be moving and the gallery should be visible to all the people in the inside page, right? Like you have about us. Let's go to the admin panel first. Now you can go for visit site. Now the site is like this, and now you want to, what else you want in this site? What else we can put in this site? Can you have any suggestions from your site? From your site? First of all, let's customize this. Wait just a second. It's a bit important. Sorry guys, it was very important for me to take this call and short. Yeah. So what we are doing is we are trying to customize this site further. Now what we have about this particular thing. We are using slider and giving some information to that, and we have created menu here. We have created a header bar where you are displaying your mobile number and email ID. Now you can integrate your Facebook, Twitter and everything in this also. Like how you can integrate this one? You can go to this customize one and you can go for social links. Now you have social links here. Now you can give www.facebook.com, right? If you are giving this one, it will take, if anyone is clicking here, it will take your page to the Facebook page of yours. Next, www.twitter.com. But here you need to give the exact page. For example, my profile is Now this is my profile. Now this is the URL which I will be typing there. Right? So what happened to this one? If I am just close this. If I'm typing, if I'm clicking here, any user is clicking here to go to your Facebook page, it will directly take you to the, oh my God, it's not got saved. 1 second. Save and publish. Let's customize once again. This is the problem with the free theme. Sometimes it happens like this, but nevertheless it will access your theme. Now let's open this one, the new browser. You can check out this one, right? It's getting affected because the same thing, same browser will have cookies and all. It will display the previous page. So cache, and we have to clear the cache and cookies in the browser if you want to check out that one, right? I have used another browser, so in that it is visible. Like if I want to type this Twitter, Facebook.com, it is going to Facebook URL. So that's how you can uh, create your customized social media options in your website. Now you have here Flickr is there, RSS is there. You can give all this Instagram, Google Plus, YouTube, Pinterest, and everything. All the IDs you can give it here. Clear? So once you give this one, all these options will be activated for you. I'll show you what is this. These options are will be activated for you, and the same will you can put it in the footer also if required. Clear? So let's go to widgets, wherein I want to do some modifications on the inner pages. Like for example, about us, I have not written anything here. So first let's go there and write something in about us page. I'll copy of any other page also. Let's copy something here. I don't have any content to write there in about us page, so I'll copy some content of this one. About some company, I'm taking it and I'm just copy pasting that one. Let's see. Now edit page, and you can just say copy and paste here. All the content you can paste here and say update. the purpose of doing this is I want to show you. Now it is coming like this, right? You want a sidebar on the right hand side. I want some information to be given to the customer who is visiting this about us page. Like for example, if I want to give you some information in this place to the customer instead of keeping the full page of this one only. So what I can do is I can take a sidebar and I can use it. Now I can go to layout option and I say sidebar. And for that information, yesterday I was doing this in green color. Now your option is here. You can change the color of this one with anything also. Like you can change the color to green. You can change the color to blue. Whatever color you want to give it to according to your customer needs, you can change it here. Clear? Now go to widgets. You can see now what I have done. I have created a widget here or a plugin I have taken and I have put it on the right hand side of the page wherein I am displaying what I am displaying a quick links to the website now. So this is available in all the pages which are inner pages. It is not available on the home page. If you want, you can do it or you can hide the main sidebar in the main page also. Like if you require, you can show it. Otherwise, you can hide that also. So inner pages, if you require that once a person is coming to about us, like he need to check some information along with that. Like what happen if you go to a Flipkart page, if you go to an inner page, it will show you that recommended products for you or hot products to be sold or best selling product also it will show you. In the same way, if anyone is coming to your website or about us page, it's our duty that we should engage him more on this particular page, right? So we can use many other options in this one. Now I have told you, like we have gone to this page, like let's go to the home page now. It is visible in the home page also, but I don't want this to be on the home page. I want this only on the inner pages, sub pages, and it should be only visible to the people who are entering into the sub pages, not on the home page. So what you can do, page with no sidebar. You can select this one and update. Now you cannot see that sidebar on the main page, but yes, you can see it on the inner pages. Now we can make a list of places which all is there that people can visit here, and we can put it on this places page. What all the places where in Krishna district which are according to the tourism is good places, right? So let's more customize it. Now I don't want this quick pages, quick links on this one. So what I'll do is I'll remove it and I'll add another widget. Widgets can be added in two ways. One is in customization menu, you can add it, or else you can go to your dashboard. In appearance, you will be having widgets. You can go to this and add. In your main widget area, you are having like search recent port in the footer area. Like I'll show you where is it now. Now you can see categories, recent posts, metas, search is here, right? Recent comments, archives. But I don't want all this to be present on this particular page. What I'll do is I'll just remove everything from here. Clear? Now what you can do is you can just check out, nothing will be visible to you. See, nothing is visible here. Now I want to add some widgets to this one. Like in footer area, what I required a text. How can I add? You can just click on this widget. Once you open the widget area here, once you open this area, it will tell you, or it will show you all these widgets which are present on your dashboard, which is already downloaded with the theme. Now what you can do is you can just go and add widget. Where you want to add, main area or main sidebar widget area. You might have remember that we have started, we have made one custom form wherein people can contact us also. So we can use that here now. How we can use that here? We can go to save and publish, and we can go to dashboard contact form. Yesterday, what we have created. Now copy this short code, come here and paste it. I hope so. It should be visible now. Right? Let's say close, and now go and check out what happened here. We have put it in the footer area, right? Let's remove it from the footer area and let's put it on the sidebar once again. Now you have sidebar here. We have put quick links, delete it. What you require here, you can drag it also here to here. Now text is contact us and paste it here. Say save and go to the inner pages. Now you can see here the proper contact us form is visible for you. Like I don't want to display all these contact us and all in the particular form. I want to show some images to the people. So what I can do is I can go to this widget area and plugins. There is one plugin which we will be discussing now about. It's a meta slider. Till now we have discussed about two plugins. One is contact form and one is Elementor. Elementor is used to design the front page or whatever the page you want to do. You want to insert some text in that one, you want to insert some image in that one. Everything you can do in Elementor. Clear? For example, I'll show you Elementor once more. like you have about us page, we have done by doing this, right? Directly we have pasted the text here. Instead of that, we can make it some design here by Elementor now. I deleted one, and what I'll do is I'll take a image box as well as text now. Don't want to give any text here, heading here, and I want to put some image. Then we can say save. Right? It is much better right now. It is showing you about us. Like I don't want to give any image and all. Like generally what we will do is we'll not use this big of images on about us. We'll keep it only header bar, a kind of images which is called a banner kind of thing. And apart from that, nothing will be visible. Right? We have discussed all this customized part of this IXL now. So now I'll tell you, like what I have begun with is how do we select a theme and how do we select a plugin, right? Now, whenever you require something, for example, you want to show number of visitors to your website. So what we can do is we can check out PLU plugin to WordPress plugin. Sorry, it will track the visitor, but we don't want to track the visitor. What we want is WordPress plugin to show visitor counter plugin, right? Now we can check out this plugin. We can go for this one. Like so many plugins you have got. Now one of the plugin is visitor counter plugin. Let's check out what is there in that plugin. You can just go to this one, add the visitor counter widget to your website. Now see the reviews first. How many people are giving 5 stars? Most of the people are giving, but there are only 4 downloads here. This is one option where you can check out how to install it. It will show you. Upload the plugin file to WP content. This all the steps you have to just go through this one. And FAQs, what all the doubts are there, questions are there, and then screenshots, how it look like. So it will show today how many visitors have come, this week how many visitors have come to your website, and this month how many visitors have come to you. This is useful. Once you are doing the SEO of your site, then you need to check out. Anyhow, you will be getting the same from Google Analytics or Google Webmaster tool also. There are many other things, but yes, to show the client, to make him more fancy and all, you can use this. If you are developing some website of anybody else, and if you want to change, show them that what is there in this and all, make it more hi-fi, like funky type, then you can use this proper plugin and use it. Let's try to use this in our website, but I don't think so we have any visitors now, so it will show you zeros only. But let's go there and try to add this one. That is one form, going to Google and finding the plugins there, or else what you can do is you can do it here only. Visitor. Now you can check out visitor counter plugin. This is the plugin which we have checked out there. Only 4 people have done this. Mechanic visitor counter, XP visitor counter. Let's check out how many downloads are there for this plugin. You can see 9,000 downloads here, but you have 10,000 downloads to some plugin there. But this is untested with my version of WordPress. So they have updated it very long. So it may work or it may not work with our proper site, WordPress plugin. This looks good for me because it's not just this thing, but it's showing a good way. The graphical presence is very good here. I'll check out more information on this one, whether there is any complications in this, and it's good. Only reviews are also good. Very good. It looks good here. So let's go and use this plugin itself. Now I can say install now. Now it is installed. Now default counter is, I don't want to show it as 0. You have settings here. In settings you can see this. After installing, it is visible here. It's visible here. Right? The same plugin which we installed there. Now you can do some modifications here. Show tiny mouse button, active not required. Visitor hit countdown. Support 30 seconds to 24 hours on IP cycle. Clean intervals 1 month. months, yes, 2 months more data you don't want to maintain. Please hit countdown. Right. Save changes. I'll say 500 because I don't have to make it 0. Setting save. Now you can go to widgets on the sidebar. You see it here, right? I'll put it here now. You are 2017. Save. Let's check out what will be the result of this one. It is coming to 0 itself. Achha, because I am only checking it, so it is coming as 0. So you need to change it now. Now you can change the height and width of this one. It is showing welcome admin. Welcome, the name it will be showing. Whatever your name is there, it will be showing, and your IP address will be visible in this one. You can do all this alignment here. You can check out the different images for this also. It's very much useful, and you can just check out. You can see this. But before that, I want to change why I've changed it to 500 there, but it has not taken that one. Now you can see this, it has come to 500 now. It is taking some time to get updated in this one. Visited since 2007. Or else what you can do is you can give any text here now. Now it's up to you how you can change the text. So this is how you can integrate a plugin in your website, whichever is required. It's on your creativity now. What you want to put, how you want to put, you can put it now. Now I want something to be done. Like I have a task to be done on a real website, wherein I have got a concern from the client. So I'll just show you what is there in that one, how to do that also. Like one of my client is there, wherein it is called SIMS RC. It's a medical college. So what they have done is this legal status is there here, right? They have Facebook and legal status. This legal status should be visible to everybody on every page in a scrolling format. Right? The text should scroll from down to up, it should be visible on all the pages except this legal status pages. Or else they want to remove this legal status page and it should be visible to, like if they are going on about us page, it should be visible here. Or else on the home page also, it should be visible in the bottom somewhere here. So what I have planned is, I thought of doing this in the this what I can say is footer page, wherein they can check out and they can get the legal status on every page also. So let's do that. For example, it will be a live project for you, and I can complete my work also. Actually, my team will be doing this one, so I may not remember the password. That's why I use mostly the Google password, the thing to keep it handy for me. I love the password. So let's take it from my team. No, I don't want to do it there. Let's do it on your site only. This site only. I want to show some information in a scrolling manner. Right? You got my point? So what I'll do is, I'll go to the Google again, or else I'll go to the plugins, add new plugin, and I'll type here what plugin I required. Text horizontal, vertical, right? Horizontal, vertical, sorry. Now check out the maximum downloads plugin, right? So it will be good for us. We should be very careful while choosing the plugins here. It's having some good 30,000 downloads. Let's check more information about this. Output results should check out now. It's not given the output results here. Let's forget it. So this is scroll back to top. We don't require that. Now let's check out vertical for even comments, right? We will install it. It is having only install Firefox gallery. This is of images here. It is showing the gallery. Now we should go for text. It got here. Now it will be displaying the recent comments only here. Once you have written some blog, the people will give some comments here. So this plugin will click only means show display only the comments of that particular this thing. So this is not required by us actually. So let's not take it. Yes, this is the thing what we are looking for. Now you can check out this vertical news explorer and you can go to your plugin area, add new plugin. You need to do lot of research work in this one every time because there are 45,000 plugins which are available. So choosing one out of that one, it will be very typical critical job for you people. So if you want to do choose a plugin, you need to spend more time on this one. Let's activate this. Here you got this one, right? Now you can say add new title. Some news you can put it here now. Any text you can put it now. I just want to show you a demonstration. Now let's put some news related to cricket. This is the headline. Now come back here. If you want to display this one, like you can put it here. News content. So now what is the news content in this? Now this is the news content, right? I'll not take the full one. I'll take some part of that one, so that it will be easy for us to put it here. Now, right? Save changes. If you don't have any URL, you can give it to same thing you can give www dot, or else you can give the same URL of this news, where the people can go to that particular site also and check out. Control V. Two of them are created, right? We'll delete one. Only one is visible. Now what we can do is, this shortcode we can copy and we can go to widgets, appearance, widgets, and on the sidebar we have a text, right? Contact form, what we have used. Instead of that, we can use this now. Let's see, I think so it should be visible for us in the tourism blog. Now, there is some problem here. Let's check out. Anyways, this is the process how you can do it. The delay and all, everything is just showing here. But it should be done in a proper way. So this all plugins works in a similar way, wherein you will be having settings for this one, wherein what all the customizations you want to do, you can do in the proper plugin, right? Sorry. This is to print that news. That how do we integrate it? We have to check out the things how to integrate the vertical news crawler, right? You have got some two widgets which are present here, right? Instead of using the codes, what we will do is we will take this news crawler here, right? Save. Now, if you can see this, it will be. No, just come to it. Leave the page. Can you check out here? Now it is scrolling. The news is scrolling from bottom to top, and it is very slow. Now what you can do is you can change the delays here 5 seconds, right? You can make it 3 seconds so that it will be bit fast. Refresh it. You can check it is bit fast, and if it is still slow, what you can do is you can change it to 1, but it will be very fast, I believe. You can change height, weight and padding, height and width of this one, and padding of this one, everything you can change it. and that's the script for that one. So you can check out how to install a different plugins on your page to make it more attractive and to make it more user friendly, as well as to use it for engaging your customer visitor more on your website. Clear? Now I want to display some pictures on my page. Instead of displaying the text and all, I want to display some pictures on my page. So what I'll do is I'll again go to plugins, add new plugin. I'll go to meta slider. This is one plugin. Say this is the plugin. I'll say install it because I have done the research for this one, and I was using this from past few years, and this is a good plugin. So you can go for install now. Before going further, I just want to ask you a question here, whether you guys following this or you're not following this. Good level college people, are you able to follow this? Please give me some response from your side. Now meta slider is already there in my, here it is. Now I can go and check out some changes here. Now create your first slideshow. Now what I'll do is I'll add a slide. I just want to show something, right? This one I want to show, add. I can give some caption, and if I want, I can give some caption, otherwise no. Nothing great science or some rocket science is there in this one. Only thing is you can just check out how it is easy to create. now you can check out. The width should be 700 and the height should be 300. Effect is fade, or we can give all these effects, right? Well, but it will be useful available in the paid version only. These all effects are available in the paid version only. Here in this one, you have only one thing which is available, that is paid one. Remaining all you cannot even select also. Slide even you can do it, right? Theme. Navigation dots. Now you can copy this and you can paste it in the text box. Save, right? Now what we will do is we will go to About Us page. Now we want to display it on this particular page, on this particular area, right? I want to display it here, right? You can display it anywhere for that matter. Not taking this one, showing us text itself. Let's see. Let's go and check it in the proper way of doing it. Generally, the short codes which are useful, you can even use that and do it. Okay. Now, if you want to change the height of that one, you can even do that by going into this meta slider. Width is 700 and height is around, if you want to make it more, but I want to make it 500, I can make it. Save. Okay. You can see the height has increased for this particular thing. But the width, you cannot change it more because it is using in the sidebar. The sidebar width is permanent and it will be fixed for that much only. If you are increasing to 800 also, it will not help you out in this one. But yes, it will be the height. You can change it as you want. Right now, these are the basic things which you can use. Now the world is limit for you. The sky is the limit. Whatever you want, you can uh, change the things in your WordPress site by using these plugins and widgets, which are like a tool for you. You can change anything. You think of something innovative, you can see that there is a widget already prepared for that one for you, right? Now we have created this website yesterday itself. Like in that we have used this few things. Now I don't want this particular what I can say, this blocks showing different pictures, right? it should show different pictures. So what we have done yesterday is we have edited this one. We have edited with Elementor. Elementor is a plugin which will be useful to create the page layout and page builder. What we will call it as page builder. It will build the pages. Now we have seen that how we can modify this. This is the same thing what we will keep it, but yeah, here we will change it. We will take this. Here we will change it. Again, we will take this. Here we will change it and we will take. What else is there? Something else we will take it. Like this, you can change the things. Now, one more thing I want to add. I want to show this, how many people have visited this one. For example, this particular, like we are doing the services of travel kind of thing. So we have our customers are around, we have around 50,000 customers, means who are, since the inception of our company, we have got around 20,000 of customers, out of which we have organized like 500 trips. Like this kind of thing, census we can show to the customer, right? So what we can do is we can go here, add new session. I'll take 3 counters. Before that, I'll just delete this. I need a heading for that. I need a heading, so I'll take a single bar first. Then I'll take a 3 counters. Now you can see in this one, you have columns, heading. Heading, I'll do one thing. I'll put the heading here. This is one job is done. Now you can see here, images are there, videos are there, buttons are there. You can divide the spaces, and everything is there. Now you have counter here. You can put counter, right? I'll put 25,000, right? 25,000. You can give it from 0, or you can give it from -1, or like it should start from 100. It will start from 100 only. It will not start from that one, right? So we will make it from 0 only, so that it will be good for us. In the same way, we can take it also and we can put it here. We will change it to the 527. You can change the delay of this one, right? Now you can say trips So many trips you have organized. And you can say one more thing you can copy. Like I will say it as 100 of 5 places to visit. Is it good? Now I'll say save. What I'll do, I'll do some styling for this one. Title color should be like, we don't want any title here. So advanced we will go. I'll say zoom in. And zoom in on this. All straight down. Let's just save and let's go to the main site now. My God, we are going to this site. So let's go here. Entrance animation, we can say straight down. Okay, save. Now you can go to the website and check out what is happening there. Good. Looks good for you, right? After this one, what I want to do here is I want one video to be covered here. Whenever I'm moving, it's counting here. It's good. Fine. What I want here is I want to add one video blog here, right? So what I will do is I'll add an extension. I'll take 2 blocks. Now I'll go here and I'll take a video. Right? Now which video you want to play here? Some video which is related to Krishna district. Now this will be relevant for me in and around Vijayawada, right? So let's see this one. What I'm doing is simply copy this and paste it here, right? And if you want to add anything in this one, you can add this. If you want to autoplay it, no, we don't want to autoplay it. Player control should be there. Player title and action should be there, right? If you want, you can take it from YouTube or you can take it from Vimeo. There are 2 options which are available in this one, right? Now, here what we can do is, instead of that video image, we can put our image on this one. Like I want to put this image to make it, or else our logo in this one to make it more this thing. So, right? This is the image what you can see. Now when the people are clicking on this one only, they can go for this video, right? Which I don't want to see this video now. So let's go back. Let's see here. Go back. And let's see the effect of this one in the main website. You can see this. Now it is not visible properly as a video. So what you can do is you can change the image here and you can put it like this. Now people can see this, or else if you want to make it more the thing, just don't show any image here. Let the original video will be played there, right? So this is how it looks like. So it will be having all the title and all also. Just refresh the page, you will find it. Is it informative for you? Like if you have a video wherein the people can see what this is the video places you can visit. Now you can write something about this particular video on the right hand side of this one. But we don't have much text. The content is more important. As I already told you, you need to have total content present before designing a website. Then it will be very easy for you. The structure and all everything should be in your mind. You need to create a flowchart. How should it be? How many pages the website should contain, and what are the menus you need to have. Then you can design a website within half an hour. It will not take more than 1 hour for you to design a proper, complete website without having any problems. Now guys, this is a very important topic which we are discussing today, and we will be having one session tomorrow, how to integrate a WooCommerce website, like e-commerce website, right, wherein you can ask anyone to create a cart, and the people like, I'll show you an example. So for example, you will be having this cart, right? I have created one website which is not yet launched, which we will be launching very short. This is for the trainings. We are doing some international trainings wherein we will be training to the people who are in US and UK and Australia. Online trainings, what we are starting for this set of people there. Like this is a proper website where they can go for this, and they can select a product of them. Like if they want to go for Amazon web services, they can go for enroll now. And if you can see that one, the cart is already added one, right? You can see the cart and everything is there. How you can do this? Now if I want to see this, like this person has gone, I can say view cart. Believe me guys, I too don't have any knowledge of technical. I don't know coding, ABCD of coding, but yes, I have designed this website in a way that it is useful to get the business from international also. Now, for example, I can give the coupon code also. If they type the coupon code, they'll get the discount also on this one. The same thing, what all the e-commerce sites are doing, I can also do using the plugin called WooCommerce. WOO. This is the plugin which we will be using to create this kind of usabilities. Like if I can say, proceed to checkout. Now, it is asking that if you are a returning customer, you need to log in. Or if you are a new customer, if you have a coupon code, you can click here to enter your coupon now also. Now, if you are a new customer, you need to enter your details. Like for example, I am entering my details, company's option, so I will leave it, email, India street, I will put it some ABCD, apartment not required, city Hyderabad, country, sorry, it's Telangana, Hyderabad comes under Telangana, then postal code is 500067. Now I will say create an account. It is asking for password. I'll type some password ABCDEFGH 123. Password is weak. Or else A capital ABC at the rate 123. Still it is weak, it seems. So let's don't my god, they are asking me to give the proper only. No? It is asking me to how do you want to make the payment. So there is a PayPal here. Proceed to PayPal. I have integrated PayPal. PayPal is a free service. Only thing is, oh my god. So our account is already registered with your email address. No problem. Then I'll say now you can see that what all the options are available in a proper website where you can see that how you can go for lost password and all everything. The same thing is available in this proper website. Anyhow, this is the bad habit of me that I won't remember passwords. So let's go ahead. Returning customer again. I'll check out this one which is stored in this so that I can. This is actually the admin password of that one. Now you can see it is going to the PayPal site. It is asking me to register here or pay with debit card or credit card. So I can select the country which I because basically we are doing this for US and UK, so we are using this PayPal. Otherwise, we have other payment gateways also where people can pay the money through that. And once you make everything, you can say pay now, then it will be getting paid for that also. Oh my god, what happened? I've selected wrong country, I believe. Sorry. So you have any doubts still here? Is it clear? So you can see what all you can create in the proper website using a WooCommerce. It will be completely e-commerce website what you can create using this WooCommerce plugin, and it's very wonderful. And for yourself also, you can create your own website where you can sell some products which are very unique in Vijayawada or the Krishna district or any other part of the South India, and you can accumulate that in one place and you can showcase this in your website, and you can put a rate and you can sell that on online also. So these are the basic things what we have discussed. You can say enrollment, my account, checkout, everything is available now. Now what the card they will be having. Now what you can do is, if you don't want, you can clear the card also. Now you can say zero here also. I can say log out. Again I can say login. Right, these are the basic things which we are planning to do it in our website. But yes, WordPress is one website where you can do anything that we are just making it very simple here, but otherwise we can create we can do some customization also. Like for example, I have taken this 25,000. Now what I'll do is, now I can use some borders also here. The same thing for this border type, some solid. What type of now? Solid. Right? And more thing, it's up to your creativity here. Now what I can say that what you can do here, it's whatever you can create. Background type also, you can change it to this, or you can change it to blue, or you can change it to green, or you can change it to white. Or else you can even change the background type to image also. You can see this. If you have some good design, then you can use it. Now what do you think? This is a good one. And also save image, desktop, city folder, come here, elemental, change it, upload a file, select file, use this particular one, and say insert media. Right? You can check out this. In the same way, for this also, background type is image. You can use this image, and the same thing for this. Or else you can use different images also, whichever you like to do. Right? Let's save it. first column. Second column we have given some animation for this. See, all the animations what we have done is working here, right? Perfectly. Now you can change anything on this one. If you want to change it like the image, you want to change it, you want to make it a only background, you can say, or else you want to leave it on white background. Whatever you want, you can change it in a particular way, right? Now, yeah, I see that this is not that attractive, which is looking at. So what I can say is I can go to this one. I have this. I take some text here and I put it here. Some text I am copying, don't mind, or else I can go for Vijayawada tourism only. I don't want this much of content. So what I'll do is I'll remove some content from this. From urban, I don't want. Right? Yes, here. Here. You're following me? So this is how we can design this proper this thing. Now I just want to change the background to black here. Background type I want solid and background color should be possibly black. Coming to border, right? Not border. border. Yeah. Background type is color is black, right? Or else we can go for gray color. Bit more dark here. In the same way, the background color of this also, I want to make it as properly the same color. Right. This is how you can create a proper video blog also, wherein you can check out the things which will be visible for it. We can make it more attractive for your visitors to see. Clear? Now you can make anything of this kind in the website, whatever you want. You can see a proper websites of any company. You can see what is there in that one, like software companies. Job and all this kind of. See in Vijayawada which are companies are there. Krishna Software Technologies. Let's see the website of Krishna Software Technologies, how they have made it. Can you make it? Can you make this website? Is it easy or tough to make this website? It's very easy, right? Follow on Twitter, follow on Facebook. These are the two additional things what he has put it here. But don't worry. To do that also you have plugins. Now I'll explain you that also. But today we don't have much time to explain this one. So let's sum up what all we have done today. We have tried to understand how to develop a website and page and all, and how to create different kind of extensions by using plugins of WordPress, right? There are around 45,000 plugins, means you can understand that for each and everything, whatever the customization you want to do to the site, you can easily do it by using this proper plugins. And then we have understood some themes also, how to take the theme, how to select the themes. Now, I want to give you a last 15 minutes. I just want to give you a theory class of how to, but it's not completely theory. Again, we have to search on the, I'll show you, demonstrate you practically also. It's not theory, but in terms that it is a theory class, like how to select a proper theme for your website. Like for example, it's very simple. It's very simple. Like you are a event management company and you want to develop a website. Now simply type WordPress theme for event management company. Now you get free themes as well as paid themes in that one. Now, to get the free themes, what you can say is, yeah, first one is what it is showing to us, free WordPress theme for event management companies. Now you can get themes through some famous companies which are making these themes. One is that you have this color lib is there, like Theme Forest is there. There are many companies which you can go this. Once you type this WordPress theme in this one, you get all the companies' names here, and new companies are coming every time. So Theme Forest is a very old company, and Color Lib is also very old company wherein you can check out some themes. Now, first one is add. We don't want to consider templates, just event management templates, right? Now we can check out this one. What all the templates what we have. Now, if you want to create an event management company, now you need to answer this question also. Now, the first one, it is costing around $58 to you, so it's a paid one. Second thing is also $79. It is also a paid one. But let's see how to. Let's check a free demo of this one. So you will be understanding how a theme should be for event management company. Now they have designed some event for which they are telling the dress code, right? Then you have video. They have video carousel here, right? Then they have some advertisements of them. That is photo carousels. And this is the slide meta slider what we have used there. The same thing they have used it here. Correct? And they have told some event. We have seen the demo one. This is not that great, so leave it. Tomorrow I will be showing you, once you start developing the website, what happens is it will be available for the viewers to see that one. Now, if I type it like www.cybertaskforce.tourism, anyone can check out, right? Even you can use it in your browser. Just open in your mobile phones also. It is available for you to view this one. Now, tomorrow what we will do is we will discuss about a plugin which is called Coming Soon plugin. So what will happen is even only the admin person can open it. I can open it here because I have the admin password and ID. But the same way, if you are opening it, it will not show you that one. Instead of that, it will be showing you like this website is coming soon or it's under construction. So that kind of message it will be giving. So how to do that and how to use the WooCommerce website, that we will be checking out tomorrow. But guys, I have not received the groups from you people and a technical online business idea. I have forgot to tell you last time one important thing for PVP Siddhartha College is I required some idea where you can do online business. Right? I have asked you the business idea, but I thought that you are learning digital marketing, so you will be thinking online only. But you have thought very out of the box. I appreciate it. But what I required is we will be discussing some online business ideas. So again, the guys, I request you to send me your ideas so that I can create a website for you people. Just open a website, a platform, wherein you will be creating your own website from tomorrow itself. And by this Saturday, I want your websites to be visible on live, right? All TVP Siddhartha people and Good Level people. I hope you are having my email ID. So I request you to send me your again business plan, online business plans, I can say, to this email ID properly. The subject what you need to mention is college name first and business idea, right? Should be a subject. So Good Level people and PVP Siddhartha people, I require this plan by tomorrow so that I can create tomorrow itself logins to your people in Wordpress so that you can start developing your own website. If you have any doubts only, I'll be online tomorrow onwards. We will be day after tomorrow onwards. For 2 days, we will be discussing your doubts on your website. Like you have created one website and you are not able to do something, then I'll commit a picture. I'll do it live in front of everybody. Clear? So once we are done, we will be we are spending more time on this one. I wanted to spending more time on this one because this is a more important. Then onwards, what we will do is we will move to keyword research analysis. The next chapter of ours is keyword research analysis. Probably I will complete this in 2 days, 2 to 4 days, I can say. And then you will be having Google Master Tour, and the remaining topics we can complete it very fast now because I am spending more time on this WordPress. Right? Fine. So we will end up for today. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope you have enjoyed your training today. Let's meet up tomorrow. Please join on time. Don't delay. Right? Thank you very much.